Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? I think you are fine there. Okay. So today's topic is define social groups, which are important social groups. This is also a very important question in sociology. You will see there is the grouping of social behaviors. In previous we studied about introduction and what about the interaction with other subject. But now it is important that what is the grouping, what is the social kind of people, how we have made these kind of cluster with other people join together and make it's a sharing between or among a single group. Let me give you example. There are a lot of definitions of social group, but this is the first one, the first and latest example of this social group is that a group consists of two or more peoples who share a feeling of unity and who are bound together in relatively stable patterns of social interact. They actually have ability to live together and have an impact as they are living together, but also they have impact to have a sharing the common stable pattern of social interaction. For example, a father and their kids, mother and their kids, husband and wife, son and daughter. So these all are interaction between a single family. So that is a social group of a family, you can say. Okay. So next is as we go down, there are important kind of 8 groups. You can say important social group. But in exam you have to write only 2 or 3 groups, not more than 2 groups. You have to write only any, but you have to understand what are these 8 general groups. Okay, let me show you all these groups. You can see and understand for that. There are total 8 general groups. Okay, so the first is primary. Primary is basic group. You can say it's a base for all the group, all the social behavior. It's a basic social group. It is inherited, you can say, like parents and offsprings, kids and parents, brother and sister, husband and wife. These are primary social kind of behavior or group that made inside a family. Okay, so first relation is their primary relation, that is a basic relation between a single family, that is called primary social group. Second social group, secondary social group is very simple. It is just a branches, like we have cousins, we have uncles, aunts, so and also the relations of outsiders. Some friends of uncle, some friend of my cousin. So this is just a secondary, like insect interacts with the branches of different kind of relations. You can say relation branches, maybe formal or maybe informal. इन ग्रुप में आपके जो आते हैं वो सब आपके कजन्स वगैरह आते हैं. इन ग्रुप में आपकी फैमिली मेम्बर्स आते हैं. That is inside a home, inside a country, okay, inside a people group. So that is in group. Okay, for example, एक political party है, उस political party में जितने भी लोग हैं, the people who are living in the political party, they people, all these people are called in group. कि वो in group का हिस्सा है और they are living in a group. वो एक in group में ही रहते हैं. Okay, so you will see this is here important in group behavior of sociology. The next is out group. Out group is name is concerned the people, the society which are outside from your home, from your country, like you are in UAE, so you are from Pakistan or any different country. So it's mean that you actually here to make a out group, social group. It is out group of social group because of different nationality combined together. That is out group of different social behavior. And formal. The next one is formal. Formal is just it's not inherited. We get trained from our parents and for parents. The some kind of activities we perform in front of our parents, and we are restricted that these things are will not performed in front of our father, in front of our guardian. So this is called formal kind of social group. The next is informal. Informal is like with your friends. You can do each and everything with your friends, because you know this society of my friend and I can do anything with my friends. I can share everything with my friends. or your close relation or maybe your partner. रेफरेंसेस ग्रुप इज जस्ट लाइक आपको किसी से काम पड़ जाता है और आप कहते हैं कोई रेफरेंस है तो मुझे बताओ, मैं कॉल पे बात करके उससे पूछता हूँ. सो दिस इज रेफरेंसिंग ग्रुप कि मैं किसी की रेफरेंस से यहाँ आया हूँ, तो दिस इज योर रेफरेंस सोशल ग्रुप, बिकॉज यू डोंट नो डायरेक्टली बट you give them reference that you actually response this ad or response this institute by some reference. Okay, and some last is locality is your local kind of behavior with your people among living towards yourself, like your neighbors. कुछ neighbors आपको अच्छा समझते हैं, कुछ आप कहते हैं कि ये मेरा ही neighbor बहुत बेस्ट है, तो कुछ नेबर आपको बुरा समझते हो, आप किसी नेबर को बुरा समझते हैं कि ये नेबर अच्छा नहीं है, मेरे से ताल्लुकात नहीं रखते. सो दिस इज लोकेलिटी बिहेवियर इज सेम डिफरेंट लाइक बट इट्स लाइक इनफॉर्मल. ओके, सो दे आर 8 टोटल काइंड्स ऑफ सोशल ग्रुप. ईच एंड एवरी ग्रुप हैज इट्स ओन काइंड ऑफ बिहेवियर और यू कैन से इट्स ग्रुपिंग, बट यू शुड नो व्हाट आर दीज एंड वन बाय वन यू शुड लर्न. ओके, एग्जाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से यू हैव टू राइट ओनली 2 or 3, और लेकिन आपको आने सब चाहिए, और जो आपको इजी लगता है आप उसको मेंशन कर दीजिए. इधर इसकी डेफिनेशन भी मौजूद है और डिफरेंट साइंटिस्ट ने डिफरेंट वो सोशलिस्ट ने यहाँ पे अपने डिफरेंट वो इसकी दी है. लेकिन जो लेटेस्ट डेफिनेशन है भैया जो मैंने आपके सामने लिख दी है, बुक में भी मेंशन है, आप बुक से भी हेल्प ले लीजिएगा. ठीक है, और मैं ये टॉपिक के क्वेश्चन साथ अपलोड कर दूँगा आंसर के साथ, तो आप वो भी देख लीजिएगा. अगर समझ नहीं आता मुझे बता दीजिएगा. देन वी गो टू द नेक्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन. ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच.